Today I will be creating a smoky eye look using some glitters also. For that, at first I need to prime my eyes. Here I am using LA Girl Pro Concealer in shade Natural to prime my eyes. You can also use a eyeshadow primer. I am using a flat eyeshadow brush to spread the concealer on my eyes. Then I will use a beauty blender to blend it a little bit. To set the concealer, I will be using a loose powder. Here I am using W7 Banana Dream loose powder, and the brush I am using, it's kind of a small powder brush, I guess. Then for my transition shade, I will use this shade from here. I will blend it all around my eyes. Then I will use this black color from Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette on the outer V of my eyes to create that smoky eye look. Then I will use this dark shade from this palette. It's a palette by Beauty Glaze and it's called Gorgeous Me. I will blend this color using a brush like that. I am using the same brown shade here. Then I will use this pink shade from here. I will apply it on the middle part of my eyes. I will build that color a little bit more. Then I will blend it again. Here I am using a clean brush to blend it. I will apply a baby pink color on the inner corner of my eyes. For that, at first I need to apply some concealer. It will give the eyeshadow a little bit more pigment. To apply this color, I will be using a pencil brush. Then I will blend it a little bit. After that, I will be using a orange color glitter. Then I will use this golden shimmery shade from this palette. I will use the same pink color to blend this. I will also apply some under my eyes. To highlight the outer V of my eyes, I will be using the same black shade again. Then I will use this type of brush. It's the brush I have used to apply that dark brown shade. I will use it to blend it. I will also add some on the lower lash line of my eyes. Then for my liner, I will be using W7 liquid liner. I will create a wing and I will keep the liner as close to the lash line as possible. I will also extend my inner corner using this type of painting brush. You can also use an eyeliner brush. And then I will remove the tape. I will fix the liner a little bit. Then I will smudge it using an eyebrow brush. I will use that pink shade again. Then for my waterline, I will use this type of black pencil. Then I will use a golden highlighter on my brow bone and also on my inner corner. After that, I will curl my lashes and apply mascara. Then I will put on my false lashes, and here's the final look for today.